Welcome dear students, I am teacher Veldrina Gonsalves and today we are going to study new topic in English grammar, that is information transfer. Now students, this information transfer is of two types. First one, verbal to non-verbal, that is transferring your information from verbal to non-verbal information, and second one, non-verbal to verbal. Verbal means information is given in a paragraph or a passage form, and non-verbal means information is given in a diagram form, that can be in a chart form, flowchart form, map, pie diagram, table, tree diagram, web diagram, etc. So students, let us see the first type, that is transferring information from verbal to non-verbal. Now, as I said earlier, in verbal means where the information is given in a paragraph or passage form. Now, whenever you all get the information which is already written in a paragraph form or a passage form, that time you all have to transfer that into non-verbal form. Non-verbal form means into a diagram. That diagram can be any diagram. It can be a chart, it can be a table, it can be a flow chart, pie chart, tree diagram, web diagram, anything. So, to transfer this information from a paragraph or passage to a diagram, that is from verbal to non-verbal, there are certain rules and regulations which we need to follow, which compulsory we need to follow. So let us have a look on that. Rules. First one, read the paragraph carefully. Second, format should be suitable. Third, use appropriate signs, example boxes, arrows, etc. Fourth, cover the main idea. Students, always keep in mind whenever you all are transferring the information into a diagram form, means into non-verbal form, that time always cover the main idea. Fifth one, use a pencil to draw a diagram. Sixth one, give suitable title. This is very important thing, so keep it in mind. Now students, let us have a look on few examples. These are the examples of converting verbal information to non-verbal information. Now look at this question number 1. Communication is an important part of our life. Following are some of the useful tips for it. Classify them into do's and don'ts. Now students, see carefully. Here the information is given in point form and they have said to transfer this information into a table form of do's and don'ts. This means this verbal information we have to transfer it into non-verbal form. Read these points carefully. First one, you should not talk too much. You should not spread rumors or false information. It is a good thing to take side of right things. No one should use abusive or indecent language. We should speak in polite and mild way. You must not hurt anybody by your harsh words. If we maintain healthy relationships, it is useful. We should speak in a lower voice. We should not impose our opinions on others. We can try to be good listeners. Now students, these particular points, they have converted or transferred them into non-verbal form, that is into a table form. Let us have a look on the answer. So students, this is the answer, that is the verbal information here is converted or transferred into non-verbal information. Those same points here they have transferred them and divided into two parts, that is do's and don'ts. Now let us see the second example. Question 2. Draw a tree diagram to show the following. Now students, here the information is given in a passage form. Now this information is in verbal form which we have to transfer it into non-verbal form, that is in the form of a tree diagram, which is already mentioned in the question that we have to draw a tree diagram. By first before drawing the tree diagram, we have to read this passage carefully. So let us read it. There are 4 types of computers: supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers, and microcomputers. Supercomputers are special high capacity computers used by very large organizations such as NASA. Mainframe computers are capable of great processing speeds and data storage. For example, insurance companies use them to process information about millions of policyholders. Mini computers, also known as mid-range computers, are comparatively small in size. Departments of large companies typically use them for specific purposes. For example, production departments use them to monitor certain manufacturing process and assembly line operations. Microcomputers are least powerful but widely used and are the fastest growing types of computers. There are 4 types of microcomputers: desktop, laptop, tablet, PC, and handheld computer. Now students, as we read this paragraph, after reading this paragraph, we have to convert it into a tree diagram. Now let us see the answer to this, which is already mentioned on the next slide. So that paragraph which we read is converted or transferred here into tree diagram. Now students, pay attention carefully over here. Here they have given a suitable title for the tree diagram and they have covered all the main points. By reading this tree diagram here, we can clearly understand what exactly that paragraph was about. I hope students, this verbal information transfer to non-verbal information transfer is clear to you all. Now let us see the information transfer from non-verbal to, but before that, here are few practice questions which you all have to do. First one, prepare a tree diagram by using given information about vitamins. Now this also you all have to convert it into a tree diagram for practice. Second question, here you all have to do a flow chart or have to read the points and do a flow chart. You all have to convert this verbal information into a flow chart. Now let us move on to non-verbal information to verbal information transfer. Now here non-verbal means a diagram is given in any form, tree diagram, table, chart, map, etc. That information you all have to transfer it into a paragraph or a passage form. Now for this information transfer, that is from non-verbal to verbal, there are certain rules to follow. Let us see those rules. First one, follow proper sequence. Second, use appropriate language. Third, explanation should be clear and simple. Fourth, cover the entire diagram. Fifth, write information in complete sentences. Sixth, give suitable title. Now see here, the pie chart below shows the percentage of the following persons in India watching TV programs. Write a short paragraph using the given information. Now students, here they have given the information in the form of a pie chart. You all have to read this pie chart and convert the information in the pie chart or transfer this information into information of a pie chart to a paragraph. So here pie chart is already given. Let us see the answer, that is this information which is converted into a paragraph. Read it carefully. Now let us move on to the second example. Write a paragraph on the qualities of a good friend. Take help of the following web diagram. Now students, here a web diagram is given. Information is given in the form of a web diagram. This means this is a non-verbal information. This information, non-verbal information, you all have to convert it into verbal information. That is, this web diagram, you all have to convert it into a paragraph form. So, first read this properly. Take your time, read it. And now let us see the answer. They have converted this information into a verbal information or a paragraph form. Here also they have given the title and they have converted that information into a paragraph form. Students, while you see the answer, please look at the structure of the sentences used. Now, let us see few practice questions. You all have to do this practice questions in your book. Question 1. Use the following tree diagram to give the description of the oil we use every day. Write 3 short paragraphs. Now here, a tree diagram is given based on oils, different types of oils. You all have to convert this non-verbal information to verbal information, that is this tree diagram, into paragraph form. But here you all have to write 3 different paragraphs along with the suitable title. Question 2. You have visited a tourist place. You like it very much. Use the points in the given table and write a paragraph. Now here, this is a non-verbal information which is given in a table form, which you all have to convert it into a verbal information or transfer it into a verbal form, that is in a paragraph form. So read this table carefully and convert it into a paragraph form with a suitable title. I hope students, both the points are clear to you all, that is converting verbal information to non-verbal information and non-verbal information to verbal information. This was all about information transfer. Thank you.